Kung Muslim ka at gusto mong kumain ng halal na ramen dito sa Osaka, Japan, panoorin mo to. A Day in the Life of a CEO. Hello Chusies, Miss Chai here. Masama ang panahon ngayon sa Osaka, Japan, kaya nag-crave ako ng mainit at legit na Japanese ramen. Pero dahil ako po ay isang Muslim na hindi perpekto at bawal sa amin ang pagkain ng karne ng baboy, I need to find a halal one. Good thing nakita namin ang restaurant na ito dito sa Dotonbori, just 3 minutes walk from our hotel. Nasa 5th floor ang restaurant kaya sumakay kami ng elevator papunta doon. Pagbukas ng elevator, sasalubong na agad ang restaurant. Nag-order na kami at umupo. Nakakatuwa pala kasi meron din silang prayer room na pwedeng magamit anytime ng pagsamba. Na-amaze din kami ng asawa ko kasi iisang staff lang ang nagpapatakbo ngayong araw sa restaurant. From taking orders, cooking, to serving, to cleaning, siya lang mag-isa lahat. Nakakatuwa kasi isang staff lang, alam niya na ang buong proseso ng operation ng business. Ganun ka-efficient ang mga Japanese. As a business owner, ang galing ng staff na to at sana all. Anyway, bakit nga ba siya lang mag-isa? Kwento niya, 2 daw talaga dapat sila. Kaso, di raw pumasok ang kasama niya. Kaya siya lang mag-isa ngayon. Kaya umaabot ng 30 minutes ang serving time. By the way, may permission sa kanya na pwede ko siyang isama sa video ha.
Just
No.
you?
No coming.
So just you?
Decided is 1 o'clock, but no coming, so only me.
Oh.
So, matapos ang 30 minutes, sinerve niya na ang aming pagkain.
Thank you for waiting. Thank you. You're pretty. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
This also 20 was a second one.
Okay, thank you.
Sa totoo lang, first time ko makakain ng legit na ramen. Kaya, tikman na natin. Alam nyo, promise, ang sarap. Malinamnam ang sabaw at saktong-sakto lang ang anghang. Maging ang noodles nito, hindi overcooked, just perfectly right to my liking. Makwento ko lang, while I am enjoying my food, biglang may rude customer.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Waiting is here. And then we can sit here.
For context, ayaw niyang umupo katulad sa inuupuan namin. Gusto niya na nasa quote-unquote totoong upuan siya. And I did not like the way he talked to the staff. And as a woman who does not like seeing someone belittling someone, I know I had to step in.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I happened to hear your concern about not sitting there. I just want to share that she's alone. Her coworker leaves her. So that's why maybe she cannot let us sit there.
I understand. We were reflecting on the same thing.
Yeah. So she's alone. She's doing everything.
I understand. We were reflecting on it as well.
In the end, natuwa naman ako sa rude customer dahil napagnilay-nilayan niya at naging okay na rin siya. Anyway, ito pala ang menu nila kasama na rin ang presyo. For its taste, I would say it's really worth it. There you have it, Chusies. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan niyo pala ang ganitong video, please comment more. Like and share this video. See you on the next A Day in the Life of a CEO.